But before you go into today's challenge, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so that YouTube can notify you whenever we drop wonderful video like the one you are about to watch now. Okay, solution. All right, so we write down our exponential equation, which is 8 exponential x plus 15 exponential minus x equal to 26. Now, taking a good look at this may appear simple, but we cannot work any tail, we cannot solve any tail without eliminating this negative sign. So we apply the law of indices, which says that if you have x to the power of minus 1, this will become 1 all over x. Okay, so we are going to introduce a 1 and a division sign to eliminate this. So if we do that, this can be written as 8 exponential x plus 15 times 1 all over exponential x equal to 26. All right, now that we have this, we have to eliminate this exponential x. Multiply through by exponential x. All right, so if we do that, this will now give us 8 exponential x times exponential x close bracket plus 15 all over exponential x times exponential x equal to 26 times exponential x. All right, so if we do this, it is only this that will take care of this. Every other thing will play out. So if we do that, this will now give us 8 exponential 2x plus, here we are left with just 15, then equal to 26 exponential x. All right, now that we have this, now we collect our like terms, send this to the left hand side. Okay, so if we collect our like terms, this will give us 8 to the power of 2x minus, because we have invisible plugs here, minus 26 exponential x plus 15 or equal to 0. This other side will be left with 0. Now that we have this, I don't want to introduce any alphabet. I want to solve this directly. So watch out how I do this. So we proceed on this other side. For us to proceed, let's look at this carefully. Yeah, because the coefficient of the variable here is 8. The coefficient of the variable is 8. So what do we do? For us to get the factors that we will multiply together to give us the constant term and add together to give us this minus 26, we use 8 to times 15. And 8 times 15 will give us 120. So we are looking for two numbers among the factors of 120 that when we multiply together will give us 120 added together to give us minus 26. Without waste of time, the two factors going to give us 20 and 6. 20 and 6. Okay, so if you use 20 to times 6, that will give us 120. Now, if you add 20 to 6, that will also give us 26. But let's look at the signs. What will be the signs? 20 will take a minus sign, which is a negative sign, and 6 will take a negative sign. So we are having minus 20 and minus 6. We bring that into this place, which is the middle term here. So if we write this, this will now give us 8 exponential 2x minus 20 exponential x minus 6 exponential x plus 15 or equal to 0. All right. All right. So let's erase this. Okay. Now from here, we can now group our terms. This and this we come together. This and this we come together. Yes, let's look at the factors or numbers that are common to both. If you look at the first one, 4 can go into 8, 4 can go into 20. We have exponential x and we have exponential x. So if we bring out 4 exponential x out, this will give us 2 exponential x minus 4 into 20 will give us 5. Okay, close bracket, minus what is common to 15 and 6 is 3. So 3 here will give us 2 exponential x. The minus we multiply the plus to give us minus 5 or equal to 0. Okay, now that we have this, take a critical look at the terms we have in the bracket. They are same. So now that they are the same, pick only one and take this and this together. So if we do this, this now implies bracket 2 exponential x minus 5 close bracket into 4 exponential x minus 3 or equal to 0. All right, but before we continue, I just want to remind you again that if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing because we always drop wonderful videos, okay, every day. So when you subscribe, turn on the bell notification button so that YouTube can notify you whenever we drop a wonderful video like the one you are even watching right now. Okay, so let's go back to the board. Now that we have this, we equate the first bracket to 0, equate the second bracket to 0. So if we do that, this will now give us 2 exponential x minus 5 equal to 0 or 4 exponential x minus 3 equal to 0. Very good. Collecting your items, send this to this side, send this to this. This will now give us 2 exponential x equals to positive 5 or 4 exponential x is equal to positive 3. We divide this by 2, we divide this by 4 for us to get our exponential x. So this will now implies exponential s is equals to 5 all over 2. Here we have exponential x is equal to 3 all over 4. Okay, look at the question once again. They say we should look for the value of x. Look at what we have here now. So for us to get x from this expression, what do? We introduce log to both sides in order to eliminate this exponential sign. So introducing log, because this is indices, we cannot say here changing indices to logarithm. Changing indices to logarithm. Okay, so if we change these indices to logarithm, this will now give us mean exponential x equal to mean 5 all over 2 rather, or here we're going to have mean exponential x equal to mean 3 all over 4. Okay, so from here, let's proceed again. Okay. Now that we have this, taking a critical look at this will take care of this. This will take care of this. We are now having x. So this expression can be written as x is equal to mean 5 all over 2 or x is equal to mean 3 all over 4. So we proceed from here. From here, we use the law of logarithm, okay? That when you have 5 all over which is the division law, can be written as x, which is the first one, is equal to, and then 5 minus, and then 2. Okay, let's bring our or the second phase of it, x is equal to, and then 3 minus, and then 4. All right. Any confusion? No. All right. So once again, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, okay, and turn on the bell notification button. All right. So we proceed. Now that we have nin 5 minus nin 2, we go to our calculator and bring out the value. Yeah. Push in nin 5. Nin 5 will give us, here we have x is equals to 1.609 minus and nin 2. In 2 we give us 6,931, or the other side of it we are going to look at in 3. So we have in 3 equal to 1.099 approximately minus, then in 4 we have 1.386. All right, so let's proceed. If we carry out our subtraction, this will give us here 0.9159, or x is equal to, that will give us minus 0.287. All right, so therefore our x is equal to 0.916 to 3 decimal places, or minus 0.287. This is the solution to our question QED. All right, this is another wonderful way of solving exponential equation without introducing any other variable into the system. You can solve directly and get your roots to the value of the variable you have. So if you have a question with regards to the question so far, drop it in the comment section, okay? Because I and my team, we are always very ready to reply to all your questions and comments, okay? Thanks once again. Jakes loves you. All I Must TV loves you.